Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS dashboard. In this tutorial, we show you how to add and manage currencies. First, click on General. Then go to Currency. You are now in the overview of your currencies. To create a new one, click on plus Add Currency. A new window will open where you can enter the information of the new currency. Start by entering the name into the respective text field. Then, enter the currency symbol into the corresponding text field. And afterwards, enter the currency code into the corresponding text field. Then enter the exchange rate into the corresponding field. Afterwards, decide how many decimals will be available by entering it into the corresponding field. Lastly, determine the smallest possible unit for this currency by using the corresponding field. Once you set up all the information, click on Save to apply the changes. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now know how to add and manage currencies.